Hello, welcome guys. Buying Bitcoin in the Philippines? Well, definitely you're gonna ask me, where I gonna buy it? This is Ben and welcome to Bitcoin Trading Pilipinas. So today I'm gonna discuss you where you actually buy a Bitcoin. Actually, you have three options to buy Bitcoin. Well, you can go to your friend or even to the Facebook. If your friend giving services for selling and buying Bitcoin, you can direct to them as long as you have a Bitcoin wallet account, which is you can create like a Zabo.com, a blockchains.info, coinbase.com, and many more. Or you can buy directly via local bitcoins.com/Philippines. You can go there, create an account, and then look for someone who is available for buy or sell Bitcoin that nearest in your locality. You can buy that directly to that. But take note, there's also a scammer on that. You have to be carefully look for the persons and has a great review with a great positive feedbacks, and then that's the hint that you can buy that person. And then it has a lot of options for paying that from peso going to Bitcoin account. Make sure that it is affordable and convenient of paying that Bitcoin going to your Bitcoin account, because local bits or localbitcoins.com, which you can create an account and have your account also there. You can transfer it. Once it's been transferred to you, you can transfer it to your own wallet. Or simply using coins.ph. Coins.ph is the number one in the Philippines when in terms of transactions from buying and selling Bitcoin. You can get the referral link under this video. I included in the description below. It is a referral link, and then I'll receive 50 pesos when you sign up, and you will also receive 50 pesos when you verified your account also. So make sure that you follow the procedures of validating your account, and then pretty sure that your account will be activated, and then it will remove the limit when in terms of buying or depositing and withdrawing, most especially when using the gcash, which is very most convenient and then the easiest and the fastest way of withdrawing your Bitcoin into peso and then going to withdrawal to the any ATM of Security Bank, which is cardless, which is gcash is no need for an account as long as you give your information, your mobile number, and then the amount that you want. It will be converted from peso, no, from Bitcoin to peso rather, and then once it is successfully, you will receive a card number using your cell phone number. You'll receive that, and then the PIN number will be received also at your email address. It is separated. So once you cash out, you can go to the nearest eGiveCash or Security Bank ATM machine to withdraw that. Just select cardless transactions. So follow the verification for the coins.ph because they implement the KYC, the Know Your Customers, under the EML, the Anti-Money Laundering. So some of the agent of coins.ph will conduct an interview of you personally via Skype to verify and make sure that you will prepare your any valid ID, and then what's the purpose of creating this account. Okay, that's the advantages of using coins.ph. These are the coins.ph features that you will love most. Cash in. So when you talk about cash in, it has two options. It will depends on you where you're gonna go. It will be going to the peso wallet or into Bitcoin wallet. When you say peso wallet, it's just only a regular peso account, or into Bitcoin, it will be converted automatically when you buy a Bitcoin by simply press the cash in, and then select that the most convenient with you, either video online, or BPI, or gcash via dragonpay, 7-Eleven, Cebuana Luwalier, ML. So just select. But me, most I probably use the BDO online because I'll receive always a rebate on that. A charge will be going directly to your account also. And the others, because it has a huge transaction fee, I don't want to go that. I go for something that I gain, or something that I can advantage of depositing that money. And then most of the time what I'm doing is that I just only buy only into peso account, and then I'll wait for something that if the price drop, the Bitcoin will be actually going into something low, and then that's the time I convert that peso into Bitcoin. And then once it goes up, even 2 to 3 or 5 days or a week, and then I'll convert into peso again, and then I'll wait another low for the Bitcoin, and then I'll gonna in again. That's the process. So for cash out, as I mentioned, that e-give cash is one of the best options and the easiest way. We have also for bank credit to your bank account, like BDO, BPI, Security Bank, Union Bank. You can do it also. You can also do it for Cebuana or ML. And then it has also the Palawan Express. So the most convenient is that e-give cash. So just select what the most convenient for you, and the most accessible and easiest way for you. But if you want to be more safe, because there's also disadvantage of using e-give cash, and I will discuss it later at the end of this video. And also for the Cebuana and ML is that, or even Palawan, you need to wait around 30 minutes to an hour to receive the tracking code. But it's okay. It's worth it naman. So the third advantage is that you can buy load, and at the same time you receive rebate. For example, I will buy for glove for around 50 pesos. So I'll receive the 50 pesos airtime load, and then I'll receive also 250 rebate, and it goes directly to your peso account wallet. And then also you can pay bills using bills payment, either such a water, electric, or even SSS contribution, and a lot more. Just select whether you're gonna pay it by a Bitcoin or by a peso wallet. It depends on what is the availability of your money on the coins.ph. And also you can shop on that. You can buy some things of Amazon. There's a lot of instructions how to do it, or to buy a domain for the namechips.com using Bitcoin, because we all know that Bitcoin is a very easiest way to transfer from one country to another. Is like a very cheapest in terms of remittance fee, unlike using the Western Union and the others remittance services that they offer, or bank wire transfer. It takes days and amount of transferred money, the charges, well, definitely you will get hurt on that. So my best option, or I highly recommend for those who are working abroad, try to find the best solution that can cost down the remittance fees. So I would like you to create a Bitcoin account so that you can easily transfer that money to your coins.ph account. If you're working like you have an OFW, you can use this one, so that when the time that your family needs money, You didn't need to go rush to the banks, to the any remittance services that offered nearest in your area, by simply going to your website, going to coins.ph, and then you can do it. That very convenient. So what's the disadvantage of coins.ph? Well, not all company has always advantages, but still room for development to enhance the services. As I mentioned, that the e-give cash, which is I experienced that, well, coins.ph actually not part of security bank. It is a services of security bank, which is they offered a cardless transactions, and then coins.ph has account of security bank, and they tap up that services into their website at coins.ph, and they offer to their members. So once you want to cash out your money and then you request for e-give cash, you'll receive the information, the card number and the PIN and the amount. But sometimes the machine itself has also a problem in terms of communicating to the server of the security bank going to the ATM machine, because I experienced that I withdraw it but no money comes out, and then I filed a complaint on coins.ph and also to the security bank, and then it takes days but it resolved. The money uh, going back to my account, and then I request it again to give cash, and then voila, successfully withdrawn. That's only the experience before, but most of the time it is smoothly successful. That's only instance that everything. So there's also this of the buy and the